All right, here we go. Popcorn, definitely on the floor. In progress. In progress. So we've got to get rid of all this. And this wall. And this thing. And that drywall. And this door. And we're going to get rid of that wall too. Put the shower insert right there. That way you can walk in. You'll have your shower. The sink can still be here just without a wall. And then just a toilet in here. Because it's too tight. It's too small for anything else. So you walk through your master there. Here's our master closet. Walk through the laundry. Cool with that. It's a big door. We'll probably need to do something a little different. It's a small door. Broken window. Drywall bump. We do have a stove. It does work. We need a new vent hood. Countertops, nah. For now. Our table. Our heater, our air conditioner. Our internet, our window. Our window. The best part about it, but right now it's so grown up you can't see the creek.